Before you even go into the hip lift here, I would start by just making sure that the abs are relaxed. You should be able to almost put your fingers underneath your rib cage. If you feel that the abs are toned up, just take a couple breaths and try to let that relax. I would start with just a few hip lifts with 2 legs, and then you can move into 1 leg. All the same things are going to apply as they would in the bilateral hip extension, where we're thinking about pulling down on the wall with that foot, almost like you're trying to pull the paint off the wall. Think about using that high hamstring to initiate that lift off the ground with the hips, making sure that the rib cage is not driving the motion where we're lifting up with the back. We want to think about pulling down on the wall with that high hamstring. The higher that you get, you can start to push into the wall to start to recruit a little bit more glute. Want to make sure that we're not lifting up as shown here with the back, but keeping those ribs down the whole way. If we look from the side, one thing we can do is add a little resistance with the band. So you're going to pull down with the band wrapped around your foot. Make sure that that leg stays straight. It's not flailing around or kicking back. Want to just straighten out that leg and use a little bit of resistance from that band, making sure you're not allowing the shoulders to pop up or get any funky position with the shoulders. From the back, want to see that the knee is lined up with the foot, so we're not creating any kind of torque there, and make sure that the foot is not turned in any kind of funky position. We don't have it turned out or in. Keep everything lined up and pull right up with those hamstrings.